Anytime you are tempted to upsell someone else, stop what you are doing. Instead, upserve. This was a famous quote from the book To Sell is Human. The author name is Daniel Pink. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sudhati Ghosh. I'm a digital marketer and a social media influencer. If you subscribe to my channel, you will get regular tips from my side in related to sales, digital marketing. I also upload videos on book review related to my niche. Today I will review this book. This book is a masterpiece. In this book, he shared some practical ways on how to convince someone in a more honest, natural and sustainable way. He also showed in this book that we all are a salesperson no matter what we do. He disregarded the idea of a pushy door-to-door salesperson. Instead, he showed some ways on how to convince a person on a more honest and sustainable way, and how to take actions and how to make a conversation that is more enjoyable. In this book, there are 3 lessons which will help us to learn what is sales in 21st century. In lesson number 1, we will learn almost half of our work is about non-sell selling. This is nothing but convincing someone or pushing someone to do things in a certain way. In lesson number 2, we will learn honesty and service are the topmost priorities nowadays, because internet is helping us to close the information gap between the client and the seller. And in lesson number 3, we will learn always say yes and during a conversation with client, because in that way client also stay positive and engaged. Now let's talk about those chapters in details. In lesson number 1, the author said that about 40% of our work is on non-sell selling. Look at your message you sent sometimes before. This was about convincing someone to do certain tasks in certain way. You are also persuading someone to help you to do some project work, or you are also convincing someone to take some actions in a certain way to take a new strategic action. This is not possible for every startups to keep a dedicated sales team. Another important thing is that the gap between sales department and other departments is blurring. That is also an important point, that every department has to sell. So no matter what you are doing, you are a salesperson. That was gist of lesson number 1. In earlier days, there was a huge information gap between the buyer and the seller. The seller had better knowledge about a product than the buyer. He also used to convey only good things and leave out the bad things, and that caused financial loss of the buyer, and the buyer had a negative impact on the seller. Luckily, that has changed. With the spreading of the internet usage, we are only one click away to find all pros and cons about a product. We can also get pros and cons about a product from the reviews of the buyer who purchased the product. To sell is no longer to guard information. This is a service. Sellers are helping people to navigate all informations about a product and helping them to get the best product for him at a specific time. This is really a cool way to keep your customers engaged while you are talking to them. According to the author, always say yes and during a conversation. Never say no or yes but. Yeah, In order to close a deal, this is really important to keep the customer in a good mood. The customer should feel optimistic. They should not be discouraged. If they feel affronted, they will never buy product from you. Agree with them, improve and improvise how you can move the conversation along. Construct your conversation in such a way that you smartly integrate opposing viewpoints. So the bottom line is, you need a loud voice and a clear vision to stand out no matter what, whether this is for a hobby or for a living. To sell is human will teach you to get a clearer vision. This is the new ABC of selling. I hope this book review will help you to be a master salesperson. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get unique tips on selling, digital marketing, online incomes and much more. We'll be back with a new topic very soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself.